Hi, my name is Billy. I'm going to introduce you something very interesting today, which is the RGB garden light. When it comes to the garden light, you absolutely have so many choices in the market. Like this one, it is a solar-powered light with the special glass here. So basically, it's solar-powered, which means it's free energy at all with the solar panel on top, as you can see here. And it's charged automatically during the daytime. There is a switch right next to the panel to do switch on, switch off very easily. Underneath the panel here is a glass with the pattern, but we also offer you different patterns for the glass. You can choose different patterns from our webpage out there. Inside of the glass is the real RGB LED lights. And underneath the whole glass here, this is where you do the installation very easily. So we offer you the stick set up inside of the hole, and you can insert this into the ground. And the installation of this one is finished. Very easy. So now let's take a look at how we control this light. Then it jumps to GUI automatically after the connection is done. You see a simple color wheel here lets you change the temperature of the color manually by hitting anywhere on this color wheel. And on top of this color wheel, you see there is this battery status bar that tells you how much battery this light still has left out there. Of course, you can go a little bit deeper by going to this real RGB color mode. As you can see, now the whole light is complete in the different lighting image. So now you can go to any of the color that you are desiring by using the color wheel. Of course, you can choose the color you want, then change the brightness of this color by doing the option in the middle. And there are quite a few interactive ways for you to change the color automatically as well. Let's go to another page. So this is where it has the presets of the color changing in the audio mode. So the first one is called Good Night. Let's take a look at what Good Night mode means. Alright, let's take a look at some of the options. So this is a laser one. When you hit that one, you see the color is like slightly changing automatically. Or if you go to something like this color changing mode here, you absolutely see how the color is changing automatically. Like this one, it jumps from one color to another color. Or if you hit this one in the middle, the color is going to be changing from one to another. In the linear mode, it has the transition into colors between. Or this mode here. So basically, these are presets of the color changing in the audio mode. Of course, we can have some of the more interactive color changing mode as well. Let's say the music mode here. So here, the whole light can be controlled by the sound. There's a microphone icon here shows you that the whole microphone of the cell phone can control the light changing. See if we hit the starting panel here. So we can see that. So you can see that now the light is changing according to the sound around. It's complete in a sound control mode. That way you can play some loud music around you to change the whole color according to the beats of the music. So from my testing, I have to say the saturation of the light color is absolutely very nice. The brightness is also very decent, and it's absolutely so much fun to play with through your cell phone. Absolutely one of the ideal solutions for you to decorate your garden, especially when you have the party out there. Why not? My name is Billy. If you like this one or not, please leave your opinions in the comments. See you next time.